Oh, they are flanked. We can push them now. We can push them now. They are.
Go.
We can push.
You're leaving 2 of your gunners behind.
And an engineer, not our issue. Go. Undeployed. They undeployed. Go. For the left one.
Reloading.
Kill the left one.
Taking this deployed.
Go for the other one. We can take a shot. Just kill it. Damage for. Oh my god, damage for the ATD. Okay, forward. Yes, Badish next. MPT on the right next.
Graf, we cannot hear you.
Oh, okay. Forward left.
I'm loading Harpers.
Smelter, 60 meters. Forward. Kill the smelter. Okay.